Good morning students, many congratulations to all the candidates who have qualified GATE 2023 English Literature examination. We are proud to say that 5 of our students are in the top 100 ranking in GATE examination, and we are still waiting for other students to update the results and hoping more and more students will crack the exam. So now an often asked question from the student is that what to do after qualifying the GATE examination. The very first thing is that rank does not matter, especially in case of PhD admission, because there is an interview process for PhDs, and yes, some IITs also conduct written examination. For instance, IIT Delhi called directly for the interview, but on the other hand we have IIT Kharagpur which conducts written examination. You have to go through the written examination first, you have to qualify that written examination, and then you will be called for the interview. In the written examination they are only going to check your writing skills or how creative you are. You don't have to particularly study for the IIT Kharagpur written examination for PhD. But most of the IITs directly call for interviews where they ask questions related to the research proposal. And yes, UGC NET qualified students can also apply for admissions at IIT. It does not matter whether you have valid GATE scorecard or not. If you have cracked UGC NET, then also you can fill the application form and sit for the interviews. Don't worry, we will discuss everything step by step in this video so that you can use your GATE scorecard to the maximum advantage. But yes, before beginning, here is an important information regarding our study material. As this time also we have many students who are in the top 100 ranking, just as in 2021 and in 2022. You too can maximize your chance to crack the competitive exams in English literature by placing your order of our study material from the website limitlessliterature.com. You can check the link in the description below to know more about it. Now let's continue with the discussion. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to keep yourself updated with the IIT notification. I will also try to update here on this YouTube channel regarding the admissions of PhD and PG admission, but still for the safer side, kindly track the application forms of different IITs. There are 23 IITs and you can track it in a diary or a mobile app or anywhere you want to do. I personally use the extension Momentum to track everything. Here's a quick demo of the extension that has helped me to increase my productivity. Here I have pinned the important days. For instance, the time in Canada, as my sister lives in Canada. So it tells me about the time, at what time should I call her or not. The next is Rajasthan set, which is on 26th of March. 9 days left for that. 32 days left in shortlisting the Booker Prize. And then we have 289 days left till this year end. Here is a quote that keeps reminding me to stay positive in every situation. Here is a list of all the 23 IITs: IIT Mandi, IIT Varanasi, IIT Tirupati, Dhanbad, Bhilai, Kharagpur, Madras, Kanpur, Bombay, etc. At last, I have this tab, to-do list, what I have to do. So this is simply a productivity web extension which helps me to keep the track of my daily routine. You can use anything, diary, extension, or productivity app, mobile application, but start keeping track record of IIT's application forms. Next step, if you are going to apply for PhD based on your GATE scorecard or UGC NET, start preparing your research proposal and make sure that you are choosing the trending topics that will increase your chance of getting your proposal selected. You can take the help of ResearchGate. Simply type in the Google search bar ResearchGate English Literature. Click the first link that appears on the Google and then you can surf this website. Here are the researchers conducting seminars and workshops on recent topics. You can take idea from these current topics in English literature or any multidisciplinary topic and can think of writing a research proposal. You can also visit the website Shodhganga and write down the topic name you are interested in to get an idea of the topics you want to pursue. I generally use these two sources if I have to search for a topic for a research paper. I'm sure there are a lot of resources available online. All in all, we have to figure out the title of the topic that we want to pursue our research in. So don't take more than 2 days in deciding the topic. Pick a topic that you think you can do your research in, and that's all. Start researching about that topic. Write 2000 words of research proposal. 1500 words will also do the work. And why you want to do the research, how your research topic is going to contribute in this large canon of English literature. So within 7 days, write 1500 to 2000 of research proposal in a Word document and submit the same research proposal while filling the application forms of different IITs. Alright, as you appear for the interview of the PhDs, it does not matter whether you are rank 1, rank 100 or rank 500. Interview will decide whether you will get the seat in PhD or not. In interview, they will not ask you to tell about your academic score or your background or what you have done in your life. Most of the cross questioning come from the research proposal you have made. So make sure that you do your homework before appearing for the interview so that you can answer those questions that will be asked in the interview. Interview will decide your admission, not your rank or scorecard. Okay, same goes for MA admissions. There will be an interview, but in that case you don't have to submit any research proposal. For PG admissions or for MA admissions, they will ask subject related questions and other questions regarding your education and all. Still, we don't have enough information of admission criteria of MA in English Literature at IIT. Last time IIT Bombay released the notification for MA admissions, and this time IIT Madras is also going to release the admission notification. But don't worry, I am trying to keep myself updated with the complete admission procedure of GATE, and I make sure that I will update you regarding the same on this YouTube channel. So kindly stay tuned to our channel Limitless Literature by subscribing to it. I will see you in the next video soon. That's it for this. Thank you.